What's going on, 522 gang?
What's happening? What's popping?
Hey.
Guess what?
We got some new... What? Give me, baby.
We
Give
got...
me,
wait.
Give me.
We got the merchandise gang on deck. What? What does that say? The Cee Quise Show.
Let me get you, baby.
What?
Let me get you.
What?
Turn around.
What?
Turn around. Turn around.
What? Gotta...
Ooh. 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 Hold on. Light killing me. Now look to the left. Look to the left. Oh, now look to the right. Look to the right.
Y'all was not ready for this right here. Look what we got.
You want to know what else they ain't ready for?
What?
Let me see your hand, baby.
That's childish.
Oh, yeah, we doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You wasn't ready for this, huh?
I mean...
24 hours, baby, just me and you.
But what if I have to go to the bathroom?
I guess we got to go together. All right, y'all, so in the midst of doing this 24-hour handcuff challenge, we actually got things to do today, so it's gonna be crazy. And this is our first challenge right here. Boom.
Getting in a damn car.
That's right. So I think you go first.
Do what I can. Just make sure to be close.
Come on, baby, you got this. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming.
Ow, you're on my foot.
Well, how was that, man?
Hard, because I'm left-handed.
That was easier said than done. All I had to do was get in, so.
Screw you. Next time we get in on my side, let's see how easy that is for you.
Hell no. I started with my right hand, baby. I'm sorry. We had our first stop for the day. I'm not gonna lie. I might probably have to edit out the video footage of us driving here, only because we had the music bumping and, you know, YouTube copyright. So we're not gonna have that in there. But look, this girl was eating. She was eating, and she just took her time eating her peach, and it's just like, and my arm,
it was cold,
and my arm was just stuck. Like
I wasn't.
You know what I'm saying?
No, get it away from me!
It was because it was cold, and you know you got to bite with your front teeth, and my teeth kind of sensitive, so
excuses.
Ain't nobody worried about you.
Look, anyways, we about to head up into Best Buy. This is gonna be awkward, but we need some things for YouTube, so here we go. All right, y'all. So y'all got to see her get in. Let's see if she can get out.
Get the hell out! Like the keys.
I can't concentrate when I only got one arm.
Oh.
This one is just there now. I'm ready to chop this motherfucker off already. Come on, baby.
I'm trying.
Come on, girl. You got this. Come on, baby.
Oh, Hercules.
Woo. Yeah, we need another one of those things to put up on the window because I accidentally broke the other one. So that's what we doing, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. I mean, shit, I'm used to it now. It happens every time we got this damn camera in our face. So honestly, I'm used to it. All right, so. Oh yeah, we is handcuffed. I forgot. Handcuffed like a motherfucker. I forgot. I've been on so long. All right. So we need to find selfie sticks. This way, baby. That's how you got it. You got it. Oh wait. This way. Come this way.
He's get a house phone.
Tripod. A house phone?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you work here? All right, we need a selfie stick.
A what?
A selfie stick for like a phone.
Those are all gonna be right here.
Yeah, because I can't be handcuffed to her all day doing this. Anyone works. Just as long as it extend and I ain't got to hold this all day. 24 hours is a long time. I know she was talking about us like crazy in the back of her mind. I need to stick this.
They got water drones. Look at that.
I know. We should get one of these. Look at these joints, yo. That's so lit.
For $1,000.
I'll make it worth it. You know?
If you don't stop swinging your arm around, got me going with you and shit.
Y'all know it's gang in this bitch.
How you like it?
It hurt.
Yeah, I bet it did. You know what's up? If the zombie apocalypse happened and we had to run because you know I suck at running.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
You know what? We'll get it from Walmart. As long as we got that, I'm happy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do your dance.
No, I'm tired.
Ooh.
You had too much fun right now. You get beat up.
Oh yeah, I'm about to embarrass
Give
you.
me some moppers.
I'm about to embarrass you.
You're gonna give me some moppers.
You're mine. You're mine. Come on, baby. Let's go. Social distance. Ow!
Yeah, how you like it? Didn't feel good, did it?
No, I don't.
Yeah, I bet it did it.
All right, you ready to get back in?
Here we go. Okay.
All right, baby.
Ain't nobody finna hit their car. Oh, funky ass. Oh, shit. I'm slipping.
Was that hard? I think it gets easier and easier, baby.
Says who?
The one that ain't got to jump in and out of the car.
Wow.
Come here,
That's
baby.
what you get.
This is like the most y'all would ever see Celeste work out.
Don't be telling my business.
This is the most y'all would ever see her work out. So.
Don't be telling my business.
Here we go, baby. You ready? You ready? Are you ready?
Get out the car.
Come on. Come on, baby. You got this. Do we need a buggy? You seen that too?
Yeah.
I need to take this tripod back. I don't like this motherfucker be twirling. We need something that's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Something that's gonna be smooth.
Can we put this one down? Just rest it. Thank you. Why are you always doing too much? Just hold my hand.
Because my shit just got uncomfortable. Damn, can I fix it?
No,
Shit.
there's no fixing it.
Shit uncomfortable as hell.
You should have thought about that before you locked it in.
Well,
It's
shit.
stuck. But not. Never did I need your help. Everything in life to get it back.
You do now.
Wipe my ass.
Do now. It's like carrying around a magnetic.
Can you move over so I can have some more space too?
This one right here. I'm not used to nobody being like 10 seconds away from it. Yeah.
What's different from me being latched on your damn shoulder?
My bad. I ain't giving you no room.
No.
Fucking weak.
Goddamn, over me in the titties.
This is not easy at all. I promise it's not.
Hey, we gotta go to the pharmacy area.
That's why people looking at us like we crazy, y'all. Dedication. Alright. Oh, thank you. Oh. She said hi. Alright, come on.
I need Zyrtec, which is right here. This is baby Zyrtec.
Shout out to Zyrtec.
And I need this clarity over here, but it's baby Claritin.
Shout out to Clearance Clear.
Okay, here it is right here. Can you just,
Shout out to the whole medicine aisle.
oh my God, can you just come over here, damn it? Look.
Shout out to the allergy pills. I ain't got none.
Oh, shut up.
She got depression. Cause I got depression. Dang, y'all see this shit? You just swinging around.
Damn right. Get in my nerve.
Cause I got depression.
Shout out mental illness.
Oh yeah. You too.
Hey, we get recognized for YouTubing.
Yeah, he said it's the handcuff challenge right here in Fort Wayne. Carrie look tighter and tighter every time we getting ready to get back into the car.
Alright,
No, no, shit. Woo! It get harder and harder. That was Walmart. What else we gotta do today?
Get food.
Oh yeah.
You sweating hard as hell, baby.
It's hot. That store is making me hot. Alright, y'all, we had to come get some eats. We gotta get that good foreign food from the mall, so it should be interesting.
I gotta pee. Still.
I got family restroom here?
Yes.
Okay, let's go find it. Ready?
Yep.
Y'all see how hostile and aggressive she is?
God, stop it. Keep on with it. Dumbass. Remember where you parked.
Shit!
Ooh, the car was wrong.
Look at her, yeah. Look at her. No, why you gotta get fast? This is service day in the day. Family restroom, you better hope it's open. How lucky.
Is there any toilet for you? Yeah. Okay.
We committed, y'all. We committed. I ain't gonna play the peace signs, but I just want to show y'all we committed.
See how I'm looking. A little food out today. Okay, I'm ready. I'm just want to pet a little bit.
That's what happens when you're pregnant. Everybody just staring at us. Move it on down. Move it on down. We got it.
I made it. He was first today. I'm just mad he's really been gone for like an hour or two. And it feels like almost all day.
The best way to go through the door. It is what it is, huh?
It is what it is.
Okay. You good. You good. You good. I promise. What you doing?
I forgot my makeup was back there.
Okay. It's fine. I'll buy you some more. If it's messed up. This shit was hurting. Food check. You better get up out of here and eat.
Shut the fuck up.
Your mama.
Yo mama, nigga.
I can't wait to eat, but 20-something hours is up.
I'm finna beat your ass when they up. Come on. Sit your ugly ass down so I can eat and take a nap.
So you got depression.
Cause I got depression.
It's called pregnancy, motherfucker.
Come on, bruh.
What the hell? I can't even sit in my favorite spot.
Sounds personal.
Give me my food, give me my phone, and give me my drink.
That's a lot of gimmies.
Well, shit, I'll get it myself, goddammit.
You could have said please, fucker. Come on, Judy. I'm hungry. I don't know about yours. Big head.
You always got shut up.
The only thing that suck about this eating though,
You better use your
this is my good hand and that's her good
That
hand.
sound personal because you're going to have to use that other hand more.
And you gonna have to use the other one too. You don't get to use your good hand and I don't.
Don't be mad.
Okay then, don't be mad. Fucking crybaby.
Who would you get loud at, nigga?
Okay, shit, I regurgitate on your ass.
Nasty ass. So why are you using that hand if I just said dot?
Because you think you better use your hand, man. Fucked up.
Just for that, I am.
You see me trying to eat, bro.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
I'm gonna fuck her up. I'm gonna fuck her up, y'all. She got me spilling on my... Oh, my God. I'm gonna fuck her up. Yes, I
What?
am.
You only had a little piece of... Shut up. Crying over a little piece. Oh, boo-hoo. Keep playing. I'm gonna snatch my fucking arm.
Oh. I looked at my peripheral.
Bet.
So, baby, how do you feel about being handcuffed
I'm gonna
today?
choke you out as soon as we get out this handcuff.
No, seriously, from the moment we got in the handcuffs to now, how have you been feeling?
I didn't think nothing of it. I was just getting you back.
But it's been easy.
I just don't like the way people be staring at us.
Yeah, we've been getting stared at all day.
Mean mug.
Not everybody was mean mugging us. Some people was just laughing and shit. So some people actually showed us love too. So that was cool too.
Yeah, I was kind of shocked. I think I'm grouchy because I'm tired. I need a nap.
We're gonna figure out how we're gonna do that. Well, I don't need a nap. I love you. So we just mad together.
Got him.
Damn, bruh. Would you be locked up with your woman for 24 hours, they said. Put handcuffs on for 24 hours, they
Bet
said.
you gonna do this shit again with me, they said.
I bet I won't.
Nap time.
What you mean nap time? Where you gonna nap at? Yeah. There you go. You better find a shoulder or something. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Babe, I think I gotta go poo.
Bruh. You capping, right?
Okay, when I shit on myself.
Ugh!
When I shit on myself with it.
Okay, let me eat a little bit more before you... Ooh, I had to endure this shit.
Okay. Go to sleep like this. Yep. Bada bang.
Don't twist. There we
I
go.
was trying to give you a kiss.
Okay. There we go.
Where am I supposed to rest?
You gotta leave it right there.
This is not. This is not comfortable. What the hell?
Baby, twist.
Oh,
Shit,
that
we
hurt?
checked the mail like 3 times today.
Did it hurt,
Hell
fam?
yeah, stop. Fucker. Okay. When I get the wilding out, I don't want to hear your mouth. Stop.
You don't like when I smack that ass, but he got a nice ass. Don't be a hater. Feel it.
Anyways, we about to go take a walk. It's a beautiful day outside.
It's a beautiful day in our neighborhood.
You know, we still handcuffed. The dedication is real.
I don't wait until I can break these fuckers.
Yeah, I gotta have. All right, you want to walk the trail or you want to go that way?
We should. How long is the trail?
We just walk it until we ready to turn around. I mean, we live right here by the trail.
We should try to find scooters.
Well, that's probably going to require us to go across the bridge.
Oh no, it's hot.
And how the hell we going to ride a scooter handcuffed?
Figure it out.
She literally just said, let's go ride a scooter handcuffed.
Yep.
Remember last time we rode the scooter, baby? This girl almost rolled into traffic.
That's only because I thought that the sidewalk became like a step.
That's almost worse than her live for the Hickey challenge. You got me calling them challenges now. Made it back, y'all. That was the quickest walk in the world, wasn't it?
I told you we should have found scooters. Like, why I look like walking?
A human being?
Oh god, here we go. Oh shit, here we go. What the fuck? Break it.
Alright, come on, girl.
I'm stuck. I gotta take my pants off.
Just slide your ass across.
Yeah.
There you go.
Medium. Oh shit.
Oh!
Yeah, 47.
I think getting in the car is probably our hardest fucking challenge of this 24-hour handcuff shit.
Man.
Cause like she be tightening the hell out of my cuffs every time she get in. What's the hardest part to you so far?
Getting in the car.
Okay. So we on the same page. But anyways, we about to go get us some Zestos. And we about to go get us some Zestos. And I'm gonna fuck her up. But anyways. Alright, let me go before she
Do it
She played too much. She played too motherfucking much. You know what? But no, we about to go get some Zestos. You ready, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get up out of here.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Alright, y'all, we made it to Zestos. I know, we still locked up.
Locked up.
They won't let us out. No. Alright. You ready for the hardest part, baby?
Yeah, let's do it.
Next time, well, hopefully it ain't no next time. But next time we get in or out of the car after we leave here, I get in. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
All right, come on, baby. Come on, we got this.
Okay.
This ain't nothing new to us. We true to this.
You got the keys?
So yeah.
You acting like you out of breath. I'm the one that's climbing like I'm a damn gymnastic or monkey.
Yeah, but you know, I deal with the agony of having my wrist pulled and yanked the whole time you trying to get up. You know what you want?
Yeah.
What you want?
Hot fudge sundae with extra fudge and brownie. Oh, sorry.
Ooh, that joint getting tight.
I'm gonna eat this. What is this green stuff in here?
Mine looks better than yours.
Dude, I'm about to...
Can't take black folks nowhere. Don't underestimate us, babe. What you talking about? We did that.
I mean, you was able to do that.
Oh, shit. So, yeah. We got some Zestos. Look how good that looks. I don't know about her shit.
I got hair in mine.
Look like I'm the only one that made a good option today. You know what I'm saying? She got hers with mint in it. And now she got hair in hers. Look at her face. Oh, my baby.
I will bite you.
Oh, that sounds fucking delightful. All right, I just wanted to say this for the record. It's really not that bad, especially if you love your partner. Like, we've been chilling since we got done eating and going to Zesto's and, you know, chilling, watching movies. So it's not that bad. I mean, it hurt a little bit, but.
Here, let me help you.
Baby. Now, when I get to squeezing it on you, I don't want to hear your mouth. But yeah, we threw the key away. We're going to have to cut him off with hacksaws.
Oh, this is not saw.
We got the key put up in a special place. But I just wanted to say that. All right, y'all, this dedication right here. Y'all see where I'm at.
Sitting on the toilet.
And look who with me.
Sitting on the toilet.
God, I want to die.
This is shit.
I love
Kill me now.
Yeah, we in this thing.
Get
Gang,
that
gang.
Febreze behind you, damn it.
Gang, gang. I can't reach it. Oh, sorry. What you doing? Oh, you killing my aura.
Well, you're also killing my nose. I would like to be able to taste and smell things after this is said and done.
We only got, what, like 12 hours?
Too fucking long.
12 more hours
Too
to go?
fucking long.
It's not bad. We got to sleep about 6 to 8 of it, so it's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna be waking you up in the middle of the night to come to the bathroom because I gotta pee. My pregnancy pees.
Man, I can't even sleep how I want to tonight.
No, sir. We ran into a problem.
A major problem. So look, we getting ready for bed and we can't take our clothes off with these damn handcuffs on.
And whose idea was it to do this challenge?
Definitely mine. All right, so anyways, with that being said, what's up, Mazzy?
Hey, baby.
So with that being said, we gotta find a way to make ourselves comfortable. So you wanna try first, babe? Let's see what you got.
Let's see here.
Cause these sweaters gotta come on. We love them to death, but they gotta come on.
We get hot at night.
It's hot already.
It's impossible, babe. Unless I pull mine through you.
No, it don't work like that.
And then you pull yours through me.
It don't work like that.
So it's not happening. Other than that, it's not happening.
Let's see. Whoo! Almost there, baby. I think we're gonna have to just, you know.
It's too hot to be sleeping in clothes, period.
Okay, well, we can take off the top piece like this, and then, you know, our bottoms is free. And how hot you get depends on how much you like your shirt. Because we got scissors.
And it's still hot.
Just go ahead and take this off. So, yeah, it look like we're going to have to sleep like this tonight.
This is wild as hell to me.
We got to sleep like this tonight, so it is what it is.
It's not. This is terrible. How am I supposed to cuddle you?
It is what it is, baby.
How are you supposed to cuddle me? How are we
You're
supposed
going to have to lay on
properly
top of
sleep?
me.
There's just, you know I can't lay on my stomach.
Oh, I'm going to have to lay on top of you.
What the hell? You're dead weight in your sleep. I don't know if you know that.
And you are too. My arm be like...
You said it hit static mode.
Every time you lay on top of it, so yeah.
I was screaming. Let's just touch feet tonight.
Okay. We out of here, y'all. Catch y'all in the morning. All right, 5:22 gang. We officially closing in. We got a total of like 45 minutes to go. But this is how we had to sleep last night. It was so tragic. Like, we could, I'm sweating. I think she was sweating all night. We even tried to do the nasty. It got tighter. So we just stopped. What you got planned for today when you finally free, baby?
Man, take a shower, do my nails, take a real nap because I couldn't really sleep.
Last night's sleep was terrible. Like, if we had like a not a green screen, but like a night vision camera, y'all would have seen everything. It was just terrible.
Oh my gosh. And I mean, if we would have speeded up the night,
yeah,
it would have been comedy to y'all. But it was torture to us.
But the key is in a specific place, and we can't loosen these up or nothing. It's tragic. It's definitely tragic.
Catastrophic.
We
devastating.
got about 45 minutes left, so we about to start our day till the time go out, I guess. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I can't brush with my right hand.
I can't brush with my left hand, but watch me do it. Okay. Come on. Switch. Switch.
Oh, wow. Well, I'm working. I can't do it.
It's hard. Can't even brush my teeth right. All right. Come on, you first. Lefty. You can use your left hand first. Time's up. Ah!
All right. Countdown is real.
Let's go, baby. We got 55 seconds left. And then I'm free. Free. Free victory. Yeah, SpongeBob.
You look like you don't want to be tied down to me.
I mean, it's not you. It's me. Ah!
Is it still you?
Dude, you see how tight it is on me? You yanking and shit.
It's not me, it's you.
Big ass.
Oh,
I gotta keep a safety net. You gonna yank this shit out of me?
Because you're making it seem like you don't want to be tied to me. What's wrong with me?
18 seconds left. Come on, baby. We gotta get the key. Come on. Hurry.
Oh my God. Oh, ouch. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm happy.
She said, ah!
I could finally run errands in peace.
In peace. I got the key.
Well, come on then. Let's go run some errands.
You said in peace.
Without struggling to get in and out the... Unlock it, motherfucker.
Okay.
Unlock it.
Shit. So aggressive. I'll take mine off first.
Like
Stop
hell.
It. Stop it.
Take mine off first.
Stop it. Ah.
Take mine off first.
Okay. God damn.
Freedom at last.
Oh my God. Look at this.
Here, cat hair for me.
Look at my wrist. That's, oh my God. You got any stains, baby? Let me see yours.
Barely. I made sure to have mine on one setting.
Your little ass wrist.
Yes, sir. I had
nice.
mine on the first setting.
It must be nice to have baby wrist.
Well, you was kind of laying on your arm as I knew you were going to do last night. So, of course, your shit going to be swollen. Told you.
So, yeah. I'm no longer locked up with her. So, I'm out of here.
Acting like it's an issue being locked up to your woman. Screw you.
Nah, I love you, baby. Come here.
I uppercut your ass. Mortal Kombat finish your ass.
Come here. Can you kiss me regularly? We out of here, y'all.